Guys, here we
What's
are.
up?
We're gonna do our first recording today, and this is Mr.
Dave.
Dave. We always call you Robert.
That's Robert in there.
Okay.
Robert's the partner.
All right.
I'm Dave. They call me Ox.
Ox. Okay.
Yeah.
Now wait. All right, guys. We're gonna start this.
Yeah. Oh, sorry to hear
This is
that.
Mr. Robert.
What's happening?
Welcome to the vlog, sir.
Oh, yeah. Divorce, Freeman. Oh, yeah.
Ano balita? That's good. Yeah. Tayo.
Yeah.
Tayo, secret room. Madam! Kamusta na? Ano ka tayo ah?
I know.
Mukhang ano ah. Kailangan mag-ano dyan. Talong masyadong galingan, baka maano ka niya, Brad. Baka maano ka niya. Baka maano ka niya. Regular ka niya, man.
Ano, sipra mo na ba, bro?
Ay, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ayun, oh.
Freeman!
Freeman. Documentary natin to. Gagana natin. Reto na, no? Years in the making. So, 7 years in the making, guys. Ngayon lang mangyayari to. Anyway, yung gadget de bossing. 7 years! Ito daw, balita.
All good.
Interview kita na.
I love to be a Freeman, man. Divorce man, Freeman. All good.
So right now, is she on her YouTube going, free?
Ready, sir?
Ready to roll?
Ready to get anxiety on my drum?
Oh, yeah. Hey, you want to play them anytime? We're ready to roll.
Okay.
Napanaginipan ko na to eh. One.
Curse! Merlin's curse, pre.
Oh, Marley's curse pa to. Francis.
Jagging! Jagging! Hindi ka mo.
Yeah, that's how you do
I
it.
don't know how to do that.
Dahil maganda bang si Foggy kasi makapag-plucking siya, makapag-ambient ako. Tapos may bass. Mas maganda yung tulog ng bass drum ngayon, bro. Mas buo. Ayun, tugtog.
May kalamansi tsaka lemon dyan.
Yun,
Galing sa ano, te?
po kami. Studio po kami, guys.
Yeah.
Tapos kami sa first set eh.
Kasi naman sa bilis, bro.
Oh,
Gusto ko 120,
yung unang-una.
126 yan, bro. Mabagal yung...
Okay lang. Kasi sa live mabilis tayo eh.
Yeah.
Mabilis lang tayo. Tapos yung yan, di ba yung dulo niyan? Yun na. Tirahin na natin. Yun na lang tirahin natin, didikit niya na ng daw.
Hindi. Gagawa naman pala mga kasama tayo ulit. Pagdating nila.
Hindi, okay lang. Pero at least may one shot na.
Si Pao. Tulog.
Rockumentary, oh! Alak lang! O, tol, anong balita dyan sa next one mo?
Exacto recording panahon tonight. Version 2. Summer.
Tol, ba't ready ka sa Murado, re? Huwag nyo dyan.
Solid.
Kamusta?
Mabuti. Ikaw?
Ito.
Recording na
Pagod.
eksakto.
May.
I'm so excited. At least, basta
Ilang taon?
after mga 10 year century. Finally, it's happening now. I'm very proud of you guys. Keep up
Berlin's first pa to eh.
keep up the good work. Oo. Keep up the good work.
Merlin's curse spot.
I know, Merlin's curse pa. O, at least may progress na.
One
Yeah.
song.
Para at least more wonder hits pang Pinas.
Patay mo.
Exacto's in the house.
What the fuck's Bob doing, you know?
What the fuck? Yeah.
Fuckers,
All
Bob.
your posters is like them, man.
I had to adjust the.
Adjust the thing. I'm gonna adjust it. There we go.
There you go.
You ready, Bob?
Cheers.
What the fuck Bob's
What's
doing?
Bob doing? Exacto. Having a good time too, for sure.
There you go.
So we did good?
You did good. You did good.
Okay.
Absolutely. Fuck yeah, you guys sound
Now we're
great.
gonna finish a little bit.
Bass is the
But
best.
that
bass.
one, that's really my problem is that
Yeah,
one.
And I want you to throw the that ending that you guys
Oh,
were
yeah,
talking about.
okay.
Finish that off. Maybe before the bass player gets here if you want.
Yeah.
And then we're good to go.
Yeah. We're almost here.
Rock stars are born.
Rock Laser.
How about that click? Get rid of the one. Just have
Can't.
it click.
We tried.
You can't.
Yeah.
Click,
You can't.
click.
It's
We
solid.
tried it.
It's a
Damn it.
yeah, because it's
We
one
just
on the floor.
downloaded it on YouTube.
Because everything gives you the one.
What is it gonna be?
But the tempo stays the same.
Right.
The timing.
Para nakikinig
No,
yung
yeah.
signatures
You can't change it.
No, I was counting that song. I'm like, oh boy.
Oh yeah.
They were 3 beats different from when they started to at the end. It's just because of the progression of the song.
Right, but the big beauty is that keeps it on.
Yeah.
That's all it is to keep you close. You pull it out, you didn't even notice it. You know,
Basta pa
but when it's in there, it gives you something.
Hanap ng so
After 5 years.
5 years.
After 5 years.
We're only 4 years old.
4 years old. The song is after 5 years.
brothers in
All
chat.
right. Sir, rockumentary, bre.
Yes, sir.
Yun na. Second guitar. Amplifier. Ay, hindi.
Ano pa lang yan?
Gadget. Ready na. Ito mga malulupot na ano. Tol, masang Askal, tol.
Astig ito.
Askal
Bili ka ng
clothing.
t-shirt.
Askal Clothing. Shout out nga pala. Askal Clothing.
Click on
Kicks. Rockumentary kicks.
And make sure nothing's in record. Like, see, that's got to be
Bass
turned
part.
off. So turn that record off right here. You gotta make sure nothing's in record.
Rapski, bili kayo t-shirt.
Shout outs. Askal Clothing. Nakagaling.
Napa, tol.
Mukhang ano.
Mga-
Mga ano ah.
Mga astig.
Yo, brother!
Mukhang na epekto sa Merlin's Curse, oh.
Divorce, Freeman.
Lumabas na naman. Lumabas na naman. Piset.
Title ng album, wala nang pag-asa.
No hope. No hope.
Ibong Adar na wala nang pag-asa.
Final take na kami.
Lasing.
Tapos isa pa, one more, last one. Lead guitar. Tol.
Baka na natin to 3 days na, no?
Yeah.
Studio.
At tapos mag 1 week na kami dito, walang uwian. 7 days na kami nandito.
Ang lakit na nga ng singit namin eh.
Blair Witch Project.
Ang lakit na ng singit namin.
Hihintayin ka.
Layo ng rumbulon eh.
Isa pa.
Anong isa pa? Isa pa, si Greg pa, no?
Oo. Tapos na.
Ikaw na ba tapos na?
Tapos na daw eh.
Okay.
Sabi niya. Patapos na kami. Lapit na. Uwian na. After 7 days, sana lang.
Ulit sa'yo?
Ha?
Ulit ka?
Mukha tayo artista sa ano eh. Ayoko mukhang artista. Yung tinawag ba yung light natin,
Anong
no?
costume mo kayo sino nung Halloween?
Ha? Wala. Ano wala?
Wala.
Wala eh. Umuwi nga ako.
Lul?
Kasi nung gig namin, may hindi sumipot.
Gago!
Pinapaalala ko lang sa inyo
Akala
guys.
mo lang.
May hindi sumipot nung gig namin. So, nainggit ako.
Hindi
Hindi makainom. Hindi makatugtog. Tapos bad trip. Uy, na lang
Alam mo
ako.
lang, tol. Alam mo yung kanta nung ano sa Eraserheads yung
Ano yun?
mga rehas lang ang tanaw nanginginig sa selda
Ang maginaw. Hindi, meron pa isa. Bilanggo. Sa rehas na dulot ng puso mo.
yun yan.
Bilanggo.
Pero mas pangit talaga yung kailan tol.
Kailan
mo ako
Tol, pa-ending na to, tol. May mas... Meron ka bang... Ano?
Oo, okay ko.
Sa ending na to, tol, ha?
Hindi na. Basta, mag-lead ko na si Clyde.
Ayun pala eh. Bilanggo! Ano, patawa-tawa lang kami. Pero seryoso yun, guys. Hindi pwedeng ano yun.
nanginginig
Sa
sa selda paginaw. Tapos si Benzo nakasilip siya.
Roommate, si Raymond.
Akala ko ba?
Pero Brad, no? Tindi ng day na yun, no?
Tindi yun, men.
Tindi ng day na yun, men.
Talaga ano yun, doon makikita ko matibay niya.
Hindi mo
Hindi
kakaya.
ako matibay to, luha ako
Hindi. Hindi ko na... Ayun, hindi siya Saragosa. Ay, nako, tol. Ayos lang yan. Ngayon ay...
Doon ko makikita ko matibay kayo.
Binigay yung 60
Anyway, pa-ending na kami.
Ano
Pa-ending.
binigay?
Magkakash ka.
Pa-ending na.
Ako sila lang sa akin.
Umalis na yung base natin, ha?
Medyo puro pa tayo.
May lakad yun.
Lakad. Anyway. Bye.
Ano ko na